With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is the minimum energy a molecule should possess in order to enter into a fruitful collision is known as. Now, what do you mean by a fruitful collision? A fruitful collision means they are talking about effective collision, right? So the minimum energy that a molecule should possess in order to enter a effective collision is actually known as the threshold energy, right? It is actually known as the threshold energy. Now, if we draw a curve of energy with the reaction coordinate, right, what do we get? This is the type of the curve we obtain, right? This is the type of the curve that we actually obtain, okay? Something like this, right? Now here, this represents reactants, this represents the products, right? Now, this energy, the small energy which you can see from the reaction coordinate till the reactant molecules, this is the kinetic energy that is required by the reactant molecules, right? And this energy is for the product molecules, right? So basically, this is the kinetic energy of the reactant molecules, or you can say the energy which is required by the reactant molecules, right? And if we talk about the entire energy here, right, this entire energy, this is known as the threshold energy, right? So threshold energy is actually the minimum energy which is required by the molecule, right, in order to enter the fruitful collision, right? So this is the energy. Now your molecules are here, right? They need some energy to collide. For effective collision, they need some energy, right? So the minimum energy that is required with them in order to enter a fruitful collision and then undergo a reaction is what we call as the threshold energy. So this entire energy is the threshold energy. So basically, if we talk about the threshold energy, it is equal to the activation energy plus the kinetic energy that is required by the reactant molecules, right? Because if we talk about this energy is known as the activation energy of the molecules. Activation energy is the minimum energy that is required by the reactant molecules, right? It is required by the reactant molecules to cross the energy barrier and lead to the formation of the product, right? Whereas if we talk about the threshold energy, it is the overall energy. It is the activation energy plus the energy that is required by the reactant molecules, okay? So therefore, the energy that corresponds to the definition that is given in the question is the threshold energy, right? So threshold energy is the correct answer for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.